Okay, let's talk about the jobs and hiring picture once again. This is part of our special Talent Wars series. Now, TeamLease has released an interesting report for Q3 FY22, that is for the period from October to December. Now, this report, titled Intent to Hire, reflects hiring sentiment across 14 different cities and 21 sectors in India. So they say a series of good precedents marks this forthcoming quarter. Number one, we're likely to see fewer supply-side disruptions. So that is one big factor that will help. Next, you have heavy pent-up demand in the system, right, in the traditional and contact-intensive services. And lastly, we also have a buoyant global economy that will lend support. So those are the three big factors. So what are the sectors which will see the highest intent to hire? No surprises here at all. IT tops that list. It is followed by education services, healthcare and pharmaceuticals, and then you have FMCG. Now, another interesting finding of this report is that entry-level hiring intent outpaces all other categories as businesses look to sort of optimize cost, right? So you have entry and junior level jobs which have a 36% intent to hire, while mid and senior level jobs see intent to hire at 24 to 27%. Now, if we talk about where these jobs are likely to be located, metro and tier 1 cities lead the bounce back with intent to hire at 56%. Within this, Bangalore and Delhi are among the top cities looking to hire. So Bangalore is actually the highest at 67%. It is the IT hub, and then you have Delhi at 59%. Now let's dive into the IT space since I did tell you that it tops the list in terms of the intent to hire. So TeamLease expects that in FY22, contract staffing attrition will go up to 49% from the 40% that we saw in FY21, and full-time employee attrition is expected to reach 24% by March 2022 compared to 13% in 2021. Now, overall, IT BPM headcount in the country is also expected to grow 7.5% during the same period, and it will grow to 4.85 million employees in the sector. So TeamLease says that they expect demand for contractual hiring in the sector to grow 17% on a year-on-year basis by March 2022. And they say that this trend will continue for the rest of the year as well, as this entire war that we're seeing, for digital skills will only intensify in the Indian market. So where is tech employment really headed? Well, TeamLease says the number growing up to 10 million from the current 4.8 that we've seen in just the next few years.